So now let's see how we can work around with the image block inside of wordpress.com in the block editing mode. So over here, I'm in the edit page right here of wordpress.com. And in order to go ahead and add in an image block, I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus button right here that I see and then type in image. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that image actually pops up right here. And all you need to do is you simply need to upload an image, or you can select an image, or you can even insert an image from a URL if you want to. Let me just go ahead and upload an image in my case. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this image that I have right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that this image has been uploaded right here. You can go ahead and resize out this image from either side right here. So you can see that you can also go ahead and align this out right here according to how you want. So you can go for a full width image, you can go for align left, you can align it to the center or the right here as well, and so forth. You can also go ahead and apply an out filter onto the image right here, and let's say for example give it a look as you want for the shadows and for the highlights as well. So you can see that you got the image look according to what I applied right here. You can go ahead right here just like this, and then let's say for example go around right here, choose around the color of the image right here as well, and this is what you have. So you can see that you can add in a link to this image as well. So you can link to an attached page maybe, for example, so that when people click, it redirects as they click on the image. And you can also go ahead and crop this out, crop this image out. As you can see, you can utilize the scroll mouse button to zoom in and crop it out according to how you want right here and apply it out right there. So that is what you have, and you can see that you can add in a text over image right here as well, just like this. So you can go ahead and type in something over this image right here. And you can also go around over here and then change this out, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z and it'll revert back. And over here you can see that you can also add in a caption to this particular image as well as you want. And you can also go ahead and replace out the image. So let's say for example, I'm going to open up the media library and choose this particular image and insert it out. And that particular image with the effects is inserted out right here, as you can see, just like that. You also have the more option for the particular block as well as with any other blocks right there as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the image block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.